Hey folks, Suzanne here with Real Lady Adventures, and guess what? Good news, I don't have the sling on today. Not entirely out of the woods, I do still have to wear it some of the time, and I still cannot fish, I still can't kayak, but I do get to get a little exercise and movement with it. Anyways, that's not what we're here for today. Today we are here to talk about the Larry Chair. Now, some of you may know that from previous video that Cyberyaker and I picked up a couple of Vibe Cubera 120s, those hybrid paddleboard fishing kayaks. Pretty awesome. Not rigged out yet. That's going to be coming along slowly since I can't take mine out yet. But today we're going to talk about the Larry Chair, and more specifically, how those Larry Chair straps work to actually get the chair onto the kayak. So stay tuned. Okay, so here it is, the original Larry Chair. Picked it up for the new Vibe Cubera 120. Even though I can't get out on the water right now, I can go out and shop for fishing and kayaking equipment. So, since we got the Cuberas, this was for me, the obvious choice to get as a seat for it. They've been talked up really well, and oh, there's Max, he's gonna help, never mind him. So anyways, let's start with this. So it comes in this great bag, which at first I thought was like the greatest thing in the world. Nice little carry pouch. But after I got this one, and I got a really great deal on it from Amazon. I think I paid like $67 for it, and they'd been running like upwards of 90 and higher. So anyways, and it's blue, so it matches my kayak. Anyways, so then Cyberyaker found an off-brand for like half that. It was like 41 bucks. And it doesn't have a carry bag, but it's got this great like Velcro, I don't know what you call it, like a handle sort of, but it keeps the whole thing closed and it's all attached. So you don't have to worry about losing the bag and all that stuff. But anyways, that's another story for another day. So this is the Larry Chair. Folds up pretty compact, pretty lightweight. Everything locks into place. It's the perfect size. My arm is still not working really well, so even though this is easy for most people, it's kind of tough for me. So this is it. This is the Larry Chair. I'm really going to throw my shoulder out doing this, but all for a good cause, right, folks? Anyways. Okay, so there it is. Now, you can go on YouTube, you can go everywhere, all sorts of places, and find some great reviews on the Larry Chair. Let me shift this over so we've got some better light here. What I did not find, however, was how to attach the chair to the kayak, the paddleboard especially. So, you know, I had heard about the Larry Chair straps and couldn't find them anywhere online. The chairs didn't come with them, or maybe they used to, but they don't anymore. They come with these Vibe straps. And there's a couple of people, maybe 2 or 3 that I found on YouTube that showed those Vibe straps, and they seem kind of cumbersome, and you have to take them on and off and make sure not to lose them and all that. They just didn't look great to me. And from what I'd heard about the Larry Chair straps is they were just quick and easy, quick release. You know, one part stayed on the chair, the other part stayed on the boat, and so you never really had to worry about losing any pieces. You just unclipped them, folded up your chair, put it away. So anyways, did some searching, and finally, thank you to, I don't know if you can see this. Let's see here. To Diablo Paddle Sports. Found them online. They carried the straps. However, when you see the picture of the straps, and I still wasn't really clear on how these things worked, just that they were like the greatest thing since sliced bread. So you see this picture on you know, their website and on one other website that I found, and it just shows the buckles and the straps, but it doesn't really show how they attach. And that was kind of my big thing, is like, is this going to be some big cumbersome thing? Nobody had any, you know, YouTube videos, instructional videos, anything talking about the original Larry Chair straps. And I thought, well, this is really dumb. But Cyberyaker had them before. He's always a good go-to for me. And he's like, just get them. Just get them. Don't worry about it. I'll show you how they work. So I ordered them from Diablo Paddle Sports. Thanks to you guys, the great, super great customer service. I will be shopping with you guys again, by the way. Can't recommend them any more highly. So especially if you're in the Texas area. Hey Max, really, you gonna help? Okay, everybody, you may see Max show up in other videos. Here he is today, helping out. That's Max. Yeah, he loves this chair too. He'll like hang out on it, which is cool and not cool at the same time. So it is Max approved. So anyways, back to the Larry Chair straps. So what I'm going to show you today is actually how these straps work. Since when I needed it, I could not find a tutorial out there on how they work. I'm going to put one out there for whoever needs it in the future. So one of the cool things about these straps, when Diablo Paddle Sports sent them to me, they actually sent one set already done up so I could see how it's supposed to go. And then these are the other straps for the other four corners. So you get straps for all four corners of your chair. The Cubera has really great D-rings right on the top of the board, super easy to attach things to. I've seen other great attachments on other kayaks and other paddle boards. So I don't have the paddle board here in the house with me right now. It is in storage. It's 12 feet long. I'm not going to drag it through my living room. So I'm just going to show you how the straps work. If you can't figure out the rest from there, well, I can't help you anyway. So that said, here we go. We're going to talk about how these straps work. So essentially, you've got the two pieces of the clips. So you've got the male and the female side of the clips. There you go. See, they snap in, and these are actually really nice clips. Super sturdy, really heavy duty, much heavier than I thought they were going to be when I first ordered them. Then you've got the straps threaded through, one through this side, one through this side. And essentially how that's going to work is, I'm going to have to take it apart here to show you. Okay, so we've got the strap threaded through here. We're just going to wrap that around the base of the chair, run that in, and then run both sides back through here. And I'm going to have to redo these once I actually get this on the paddleboard, just to make sure I've got all the right length and everything. So there we've got, move that out of the way. So we've got one strap chair there. We would do the same thing with this strap. Strap it to the bottom of the paddleboard. This stays on the board, that stays on the chair. So then, get a better picture here. You put your chair, the straps are already there. You lock them together, your chair's all locked down, you're getting ready to pick up the chair, or maybe you just want to walk around the board for a while. You want to fold up the chair and put it in the crate behind you, or just back on the board behind you. Simply unclip the four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4, fold up the chair. These stay on here, these stay on the board for the next time you want to clip it on. Super quick and easy. So there you go. That is how the Larry Chair straps work for anybody who is interested. Again, like I said, I made this video because when I needed it, there wasn't one out there. So I hope this helps some of y'all. And there you go. Larry Chair straps on the original Larry Chair, getting ready for the Vibe Cubera 120. Okay, and here's one more demo. Throw your strapper on there, one inside, one on the other side. So now that it's attached, thread it back through the second slot so it's nice and secure. There we go. Pull that through, nice and secure. I'll put the other straps on the other side once I can get the correct measurement on the boat, but that's it. So we've got one on each of the four corners. Whoops, where'd it go? There we go, one there, one there. These are the other two buckles. And there you go. Get that Larry chair nice and strapped down.